Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel. And we have 4 or 5 different combinations here. So first and foremost, we have the 52-week everyday challenge. Just everyday photos once a week. This is my everyday photo. It is my husband chillaxing on the couch with our basset hounds. These are my husband's feet, I'm pretty sure. Like, our basset hound is stupid large with a very small head. So this is our photo. Next is buttons galore and more, using the Create Outside the Box subscription box, representing the company. And I'm going to be using the Romance Lovely collection, these lovely little hearts, and the unique buttons for crafting, these Valentine's Day ones, which come into play because I'm also doing the Ginger Bush Dining Around the World hop, and I'm doing the Germany one, which has to be a Valentine's Day layout, a black background, red accents and embellishments, and a bonus faux stitching. So Valentine's Day layout, check. Black background, check. All kinds of red accents and embellies, check. And faux stitching. So we'll get all of those on there and it'll be done. We also are playing along with a Follow a Sketch February. And for today's sketch, for February 10th, this is the sketch. Now it's 2 photos, but I'm going to go ahead and make them that one large photo there. So we will have that up and around. I have all these very fun embellishments that I fussy cut from this collection. It is Vintage Love by Craft O'Clock. So kind of show you what we got. We got some leaves I'm just dropping in there. We've got some music paper and rolls, more leaves, a little couple books. We've got a little number, another little number, a clock, just random numbers, some clocks in 2 different colors, these cute little tickets, another ticket. All of this was fussy cut out. I've got some floral bits, more leaves, more floral bits, some large small clusters, lots of leaves, another little book, stacks of books, more music notes. Then I've got some wax seals. I think there's one right here as well. More leaves. Then I've got hearts, and then an arrow hearts. More hearts, more hearts, another arrow heart, heart, heart. Stack of letters, leaf, book, all kinds of fun little embellishments. So we've got that. And then we've got this right here, which I'm not going to need this now. Oh, you know what, I might. No, it won't. No. This is what we're going to mat our photo in. We're going to use the green and the brown to create some of those strips. I am also going to fussy cut out this piece, and then we're going to adhere. I'm going to gut it. Well, I don't know if that's going to work. I'm going to fussy cut that out and see what I can do to get the wood grain on the back. It is the same piece of paper, so I might be able to salvage that. So give me a minute to figure this out, and we'll be right back. Alright, this is what I have got, and I've just went in with my stylus and bent up the leaves. So now we're going to start building some clusters. And first and foremost, we're going to pop this heart up right there in the center. So now, if you haven't seen the channel before, the Craft O'Clock is double-sided. As you see, I flipped it over and it was the same part on the other side. these type of embellishments don't actually make a difference, but it's when you've got a cluster like this and you're like, boy, I sure wish I had that red flower over there. Oh, well, it's reverse. So that's really cool. So if you haven't checked out Craft O'Clock yet, please do. Fabulous little company. Okay. And I use 2 forms of glue because sometimes the ATG just kind of rebels. So we're going to get that stuck right there in the middle. And let's see. I would like to use all 3 of these. And let's do that size heart. Let's do that one. Okay, so we're going to have, there seems to be, let's just put it right here. We're going to go flat with this guy. And if you see, I've got my stitching on there. I've got the black background. So that's all good. And we're going to go ahead and add this guy. I'm just going to so I didn't make him small enough. But that's alright. So this one's stuck over here. And those flowers were like on a frame, and I just thought it would be really cool. So we're going to put this one, let's go on a tabby dot, which is smaller. I'm going to tuck him right here. Or, you know, less height. Okay, so that's what we've got there. Then we need to come in. I want to use these 3 arrows. I did pull out the 3 books. Let's see about, I didn't actually cut all of this out to use it. Every time I go to use one of these collections, I kind of, not kind of, I do, just grab extras and just cut. And then I have the extra, right? All right. Random numbers. So, random numbers there. Let's see if we can get these books in here. So we'll put that one there. We can let's go with this one down here. The only thing you have to pay attention is the words. We'll just slide this right there to be a shelf. So for the leaves, I'm just going to take them and I pinch them, and then I roll that stylus in there as well. When they're smaller and this is thicker paper, it hurts my hand to do that. Oh, I need flowers. So I also want to pop do we want to go with that? Like, right, I just need to pull the books out a little bit. I'm going to get this guy stuck on there. Okay. And then this half. Let's go. No. Let's go there. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish up a couple things. Get these leaves on here, kind of stick some of these in, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I've added the items from the value pack, the little lips. I've got 3 of the little envelopes and the 2 little cherubs for Valentine's Day, and then the little heart and arrow. Look at this one little pink guy. So I think we'll put him right there. And then we'll get this little red guy up here. Maybe, maybe not. And then we'll put one right there. And that is going to do it. So let's just check. We did the sketch. This is my interpretation of it. So a check mark on the sketch. We got our random photo. Check mark. This is my 46th page kit. We've got buttons galore and more on here. And our Germany challenge, which is a Valentine's Day layout. Ba-boom. Valentine's Day products. It's got the black background, red accents and embellishments, and faux stitching. So I'd say a win all around. The only thing that I want to add is some gold splatters. I've almost got this used up. So just to bring in a little bit more, I'm not going to go crazy. Just a little bit. And just so when it's empty, it's harder. And then we'll just make some splatters. Okay. That is going to do it. I'm going to wipe that up because that one's kind of off in no man's land. But that's going to do it. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Leave comments down below. Do all the fun YouTubey things. Like, subscribe, join the membership. Check out the Facebook groups. Head to Buttons Galore and more. Check out everybody else that's playing along in Ginger Bush's Hop. Link down below to the playlist. And I will see you later with another video. Bye.